Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Lindeman, and in this video we're going to talk about the Marksman long distance cleaning nozzle. Hydra-Flex has been designing and perfecting fluid handling nozzles since 2002, taking industries such as vehicle care, hydro excavation, industrial cleaning, and sewer jetting by storm. We soon realized the benefits that our patented nozzle technology could bring to long-distance cleaning. For example, lift stations. A clean, well-maintained lift station is an integral part to a sewage collection system, as lift stations collect the water and waste that are sent from homes and businesses. Maintenance must be performed to remove any items that cannot decompose, as well as buildups of fats, oil, and grease. If left unattended, the lift station pumps will ultimately clog, backing up the wet well. When we were introduced to the challenges of this cleaning process, we found that the operators attack these jobs with inefficient high-flow tank cleaning nozzles, being harnessed and lowered into deep, confined spaces, using shovels and scrapers, and using heavy and hard-to-control rotating nozzles with several pipe connections. So, to combat these issues, in 2020, we released the Marksman long-distance cleaning nozzle. The Marksman maintains its impingement and accuracy at great distances, allowing long-distance cleaning to happen. Let's take a look. The Marksman is a static 0-degree solid stream nozzle with a controlled flow that provides optimal cleaning impingement up to 25 feet. The science behind the Marksman lies in its flow straightening technology. This means that all the water molecules move in the same direction at the same speed, maximizing the impact. This precise stream cleans accumulated solids and grease buildups while remaining extremely accurate, reducing operators' chances of damaging crucial parts like pumps and electrical components. While the Marksman stream will help you clean from a distance, you might be asking if it can help you save water. And what does that mean for you? By utilizing flow straightening technology, the Marksman can do a superior cleaning job while using less water. By offering up to a 20 gallon per minute low water flow design, the Marksman proved to use 21% less water than the leading competitor nozzle, meaning you can complete more jobs between filling up your truck and make your team more efficient. So what's the best way to go about your cleaning job? The Marksman works best with an inline trigger gun and lance. It's important to note that the trigger gun should be rated for a higher flow rate than the nozzle itself. For example, using this 27 GPM trigger gun for this 20 GPM Marksman. We also recommend the use of a 72-inch lance. This will not only protect the operator and others from coming into contact with the stream, but it will also allow you to extend your reach into the lift station even further. The distance the Marksman will hit varies with nozzle size. The 12 GPM will maintain an impingement at 15 feet, the 15 GPM will maintain impingement at 20 feet, and the 20 GPM will maintain impingement at 25 feet. While operating with a gun, lance, and nozzle setup, be sure to make slow and deliberate movements with the wand to keep the water stream from breaking up. Think about using a garden hose. When you move it back and forth, you can see the water waving. It's not going to clean the surface as well as if you're going to hold it steady. Holding the Marksman steady will significantly increase your cleaning power. Another benefit of the Marksman are the materials we chose to construct the nozzle. Made with stainless steel housing, nozzle tips, and flow straighteners, the Marksman is extremely durable and offers a longer life than other industry offerings. While the Marksman was designed to be the optimal tool for lift station cleaning, other applications have emerged where our customers are achieving the same results: long distance, fast cleaning, and hard to reach places. So what can the Marksman do for you? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the industrial cleaning playlist. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I can't wait to see you next time.